What's up guys, welcome to a new video. This one's a bit different because we've got a very dirty car. When you have a dirty car, you basically have three options. 1. You go to a car wash. 2. You wash it yourself. Or 3. You just buy a new car. But we're feeling a bit adventurous today, so we're gonna wash it ourselves. In this video we are partnering up with Nanoglans, the Belgian company offering nanotechnology hydrophobic coating spray. It is a coating spray with liquid glass, creating an ultra thin protective layer and an extremely high gloss effect on both your car paint and the glass. The surface becomes super water and dirt repellent and prevents fine scratches in your car paint. One single treatment of Nanoglans can protect your car for up to 3 months. Now all there's left to do is try it out. The car is now pretty much clean. I'm going to apply the Nanoglans with a microfiber cloth. I'm going to spray maximum 2 to 3 times per square meter. First time using it, so we'll see how it goes. I'll show you the results in a few seconds. I can already see myself in the reflection. That's a good sign. There we have it, we're all done. The car is super shiny, very happy with the result. If you're interested in the product, I'll put a link in the description below. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.